Hey Jules, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing this wig. If you'd like to see how I achieve it, stay tuned and be sure to give it a thumbs up. And I got this wigs from Wiggins hair. So it came with this little pink silk bag, satin bag, you know what I'm saying? But it came with this little cute bag to store the wig in. They sent this wig cap. This wig cap, child. Ooh. They sent some Betty lashes. It came with this elastic band. That size band is honestly too thin for my liking. I like wider bands. So I went to my Hobby Lobby and I got this woven elastic. And this is, I guess the width is 1 5/8 of an inch. This is way thicker compared to this. So I really don't use those. And I use these when I make my own wigs because she be holding it down. So I'm gonna put on this wig to show you the before. Ooh. She is yellow. I don't know if I need to start getting large wig caps because this head, this noggin, she's something serious. So this is the before. I'm gonna dye it and hopefully tone it down a little. This is a 5x5 closure, so it's like temple to temple kinda. Well, I guess it's temple to temple, but it's a bigger closure. So I'm back. This is the next day. I've already toned this hair and this is how she came out. So now we're about to install this. I've already plucked this wig. So this is her. Now, child, she's a shedder.
What is this, honey? I was shocked, honey. I was in tears almost.
She sheds. She sheds. What was that She Shed commercial? Oh, but she be shedding like, ooh. Child, this is real trifling.
Ooh, the ghetto.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig off. So we're back and I'm wearing this dark brown wig cap. I reuse my wig caps all the time. I don't one and done them, you know. And so now we're gonna start off with the lace. I'm gonna put some foundation on it so it can match better to my skin complexion because it does not look like what lace. I'm gonna be going in with my Maybelline Superstay and I'm gonna use this on my lace to make the lace match my skin complexion a little better. I'm gonna put some foundation on the back of my hand and I'm gonna dab it onto this lace. And I'm just gonna mainly focus this where my hair is gonna be parted at and on the edges of the lace out here. You really don't have to focus on here unless you're doing a deep side part, but that's not what we're doing right now. But I actually just sewed this elastic band onto my wig. So now I'm just gonna put her on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those baby hairs out of the way. So we're just gonna pull that back some and really get that hair out of the way. So to put my wig on, I'm gonna be using my Got to Be High Insta Hold Spray. Now I'm gonna go in and spray my hairline. And then we're gonna bring this down. And I'm actually gonna pull down the baby hairs now, because I don't want them to flatten back and then we gotta fight to bring them back, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like this is good enough for baby hairs. So I'm gonna make a straight middle part. I'm just gonna try to push back all the other hairs. I'm actually about to put this in a ponytail. Child, is this some bangs? The bang. So now I'm gonna spray just like the hairline. By the hairline, I mean like right here where the baby hair starts and where the actual, you know. So I'm just spraying that little line because I know I'm not gonna cut that. So we want that part laid. So don't talk about it because she is dirty. I mean, I just used it with curly hair. I just took off. I'm trying to get it to a clean side so y'all don't drag me. But it's like makeup and got to be put together on my scarf. So I'm gonna take this scarf. I'm folding it really thin. And we're just gonna wrap it around here. And I'm gonna tie this down for about 10-15 minutes so it can marinate. And while that is doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and get my hot comb and wax stick. And we're going to get that part straight. I'm applying my foundation powder just so it matches. So now I'm gonna flatten my closure. I'm gonna be using my wax stick and I'm gonna follow that with my hot comb just to give it the melted look. And we're just gonna do this to both sides of the part. So now that we've gotten that flattened out, we're gonna put the hair away and I'm going to untie my scarf. So I'm gonna put my baby hairs away. Taking some regular scissors and I'm gonna use this to cut my lace into 3 so it'll be easier to cut the lace off. I'm gonna cut the lace off with this razor. So I'm going back in with some face powder, especially right here. To spray my hairline and lay down those pieces of lace that lifted up while we were cutting it. And then we're gonna go back in with our hot comb and wax stick to brush the hairline back a bit. And we're gonna tie our hair up again. And while that's setting, I'm gonna go in and curl my hair.
A few inches later.
So I curled my hair. So now we're gonna take this off slowly. So all of this is not gonna be baby hairs. So like here, I'm gonna keep those. And in the middle, I'm gonna just keep this. So this, we're gonna smash that back in there. And I'm just gonna use my wax stick and hot comb for this part again. So I'm just gonna cut my baby hairs. I'm using my razor. You don't want to do this part like straight across like an even cut because the baby hairs will not look, they'll look officially chopped and screwed, you know? You want to do it at an angle to make it look kind of jagged and layered looking. I'm going back in with my hot comb just so that my hair looks super slick and there's no hair out of place. So I'm gonna spray my finger and just apply this where it needs to be applied. And we're gonna wrap it up for one last time. And I'm gonna cut some layers in this just so my curls can, you know, my curls can curl. So I'm gonna go cut some layers to frame my face a little, and then by the time I'm done, this should be done resetting. So I've already framed my face. I guess this is why the silk ones are better, because they don't bounce, forcing the hair to move. So this is the final look. Ugh, I got some foundation in my hair, so that's gonna wash out. Don't worry about that. Oh, she is real cute. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, I will be sure to leave the details down below. Thank you, Jules, so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And until next time.